Namaskar. Today, I will guide you through a series of pranayams which, if you could practice it regularly, you will really benefit from it. And then you can achieve greater stability of body and mind. These set of pranayam can keep you energetic as well as relaxed throughout the day. You may practice along with my instructions to feel its effects. Before we begin, let's go over some basics. It is important to sit in a place where the fresh air is available and better to practice on an empty stomach. Find a comfortable sitting position where your spine is upright and your body is firmly grounded. Now let's start the breathing sequence. First, equal breathing. In equal breathing, understand one thing clearly, that inhalation and exhalation is usually not equal. Inhalation is little shorter, exhalation is little long. So, first practice could be become aware of your breath and watch how many seconds it takes to breathe in, and then try to see that in the same second you breathe out. So here little effort is there to maintain equalness. So here little awareness and little effort has to put to see that inhalation and exhalation becomes equal. Second is Om chanting. Inhale, hold your breath and Om. This is how you should be chanting Om. Do 5 rounds of this Om chanting. That would work wonders. Third pranayam is Shunyak pranayam. Here again, sit in any of the meditative pose, be in a relaxed way, and now breathe in fully and then focus on long exhalation. And when you are exhaling, try and see that you are controlling the abdominal muscle to see that your abdomen goes in, and when you exhale completely, your abdomen is already fully in. Now stay in this position for some time. This is called Shunyak. Fourth pranayam is Rechak pranayam. Rechak means long exhalation. So first breathe in and focus on the exhalation of your breath. So try and exhale slowly but long and stay there for some time. That is Rechak. Fifth pranayam is abdominal breathing. Here, preferably lie down on your back, supine position. Bring both your legs closer to your body. Your knee is pointing upwards. Relaxedly stay there. Put one hand on your abdomen, another hand by the side, relaxed way. Now here, focus on the movement of your abdomen. When you inhale, your abdomen slowly rises up, and when you exhale, abdomen slowly goes in. So this is how inhalation and exhalation, abdomen coming up, abdomen going down. This is how you should be doing this pranayam. Take at least 15 rounds of this pranayam. This is called as diaphragmatic breathing or abdominal breathing. Sixth pranayam is Brahmari pranayam. In this pranayam, sit in any of the meditative pose, back straight, and now breathe in fully, hold your breath, and now create that humming sound which a bee has. When you make a sound, you are naturally exhaling. So don't worry about exhalation. Worry about making a sound and focus on the sound. So inhale, hold your breath, and just focus on the sound. So like this, your lips should be tight. You will feel vibration throughout the body up to the head region. It arrests your mind. No thoughts can come in mind and you feel really relaxed. Here we have completed this 10 minutes breathing routine. Keeping your eyes closed, take a few moments to notice how you feel after this. You may feel more relaxed, calm and centered. Remember, the more you practice, the more benefits you will experience. Make this a daily habit and enjoy the positive impacts on your overall health. Namaskar.